everyone, welcome back to my live stream. For this week's live, we are going to be talking about K-pop outfits, summer fits, summer style. We're going to talk about K-pop, we're going to talk about fashion, we're going to talk about what you should wear, what you shouldn't wear, although truthfully there's nothing you shouldn't wear, you should wear whatever the heck you want. But we're going to be talking a lot about K-pop fits, and I'm super excited to talk about this because I think that honestly one of my favorite like underrated parts of K-pop is the fashion, because I feel like obviously like K-pop there is the dance, the music, the stages, but like to be honest the fashion of K-pop is insane, and I think also just like the growth of it is crazy as well. But I think we should get into it and talk about K-pop outfits because I mean summer is coming. Did y'all see how many people dropped tours? I literally feel like in the span of like 3 days half of the K-pop community dropped a tour. So yeah, everybody get your summer fits ready because everybody's coming. I'll just tell you guys, the first thing I do want to just mention is one of the best places for me to find like inspiration for idols looks and stuff is Pinterest. Now I bet you guys kind of know that, but like truthfully I will go down the Pinterest rabbit hole for literal hours just looking at like K-pop outfit, and I think that this is a really good place because you literally see people not only give you like the exact items that idols have worn, but also just give you like inspiration. Now I will say that social media, obviously you guys know, has just blown up like in the past couple of years, and I think TikTok is another really awesome resource. There's so many creative fans who have done like inspired lookbooks or like what you should wear to a concert. And let me just say first and foremost, wear whatever makes you comfortable. Your fashion is an expression of yourself, so whatever you want to wear, whatever you feel comfortable wearing is the most important, especially when you go to a K-pop concert, because you want to have fun, you want to let loose, you want to enjoy your time and your company with the idols. So first and foremost, this is not a you have to wear this video, this is a recommendation video, but please first and foremost, you're killing it, you're doing great, and wear what makes you happy and makes you feel confident and comfortable. Do not listen to what anybody else says. But again, these are just my recommendations. I also just wear whatever I want to concerts too. But I think we should talk about like recent comebacks and like some of my favorite fashion. I think we have to talk about it. I am obsessed with the styling from Love Dive. I think, first of all, this song is just like very my style, and I've just been really loving IVE recently. Like the girls are absolutely killing it, but like especially like this look, like the blue and like the white and like the silver jewelry, I love this look on them. I think they absolutely killed it. I also just personally really love denim, but yeah, I personally love this kind of styling. I think one of my personal favorite things about styling for groups is cohesiveness, but not all the same. I think that sometimes companies obviously put the groups in the same outfit, which I think is super cool and it looks really cool on stage as well. But I also really love when like each member has like their own kind of vibe, but they're all very cohesive. And then we also should talk about Maniac. Obviously Stray Kids is coming back. I am obsessed with these fits. Y'all probably know I am a Sigmund hat enthusiast. I have cried over this man's hat right here many a time, but I just love the bright colors on them. I think they suit it super well, but it's also very kind of just like unique in the sense that it's like very them, and each member is like very different but all still very cohesive. I really love this set of outfits. The next thing I wanted to do was we need to take a trip down memory lane, go to our good and dandy old Ariel Cecilia. We all know this bestie, and I thought it'd be fun to look at my past concert outfits. One of the things is that like again, you don't need to take like an actual inspired outfit. You can also just take like what you like and what your personal style is and like put it into the concert. I think again, one of the things that K-pop is really good about is like, first of all, they have so many diverse concepts. Also, guys, they have their own colors. They have their own light sticks. You can literally dress up in the colors of their light sticks. You can dress up the colors of their colors. So like for instance, BTS, like one of the most common colors, obviously you'll see at a BTS concert, is purple, because purple is their color. So for the Treasure concert, I wanted to play into a little bit more of, I guess, like a style that I like, which is like the frilly skirts and like the more like schoolgirl style. I really just personally like that style, like the preppy style. I'll call it preppy, but obviously Treasure has a lot of blue in their concept, so obviously I went with this like blue with like the little layered button up, and then like the skirt and like obviously the socks. I want to show you guys what I did for the last video if you guys aren't familiar with it. I filmed this video back last May, I think it was. But basically what I did was I wore K-pop music video inspired outfits for one entire week. This was the look that I filmed for day 2. I wore obviously the top that I'm wearing now with a little black skirt and this little headband, and it was obviously recreating I Can't Stop Me by Twice. This was again out of my comfort zone just because felt, I guess, a little bit uncomfortable by it, but it was really fun to try it out and it was really fun to wear it. But I feel like, again, for my personal style of just like what I like to wear to school, I think it was a little bit out of my comfort zone, but I would love to wear this kind of style to the concerts and stuff. I think that'd be really cool. But yeah, I love you guys. Obviously, I love the Kooky app. Thank you, obviously, for supporting me. Like I said earlier, if you guys have not followed Kooky on all their social medias, please do. They are expanding their platform. They're doing so many interactive polls, especially on their Instagram and their Twitter and on the website and on the app. Go follow them. Go stay up to date with all of their things. You guys can always tune in and be active in their polls and in creating, you know, ads for idols or what some of the other creators react to. It's really, really fun and very interactive and very cool. Highly suggest you guys check it out. I absolutely love you guys. I love the Kooky app, and I will see you guys next week at 11 a.m. for the same time, same vibe, talking about K-pop again. I love you guys. I love the Kooky app, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye, everyone. Have a great day or evening or afternoon.